Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to dual boot Endeavour OS and Windows 10 or 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and search for Endeavour OS. After that, click on the first link, which is the official link, and download Endeavour OS ISO file from the nearest mirror. After that, open another tab and search for Rufus. After that, download the latest version of Rufus to make bootable USB of Endeavour OS. Once you have downloaded both files, insert your pen drive, which is at least of 8 GB, and please make sure to back up your pen drive data. After that, go to your downloads directory and open Rufus. Now select the Endeavour OS ISO file which we just downloaded. Now for partition scheme, open your Windows search and search for system information and look under BIOS mode. If it is UEFI, you need to choose partition scheme as GPT, otherwise you can leave it on MBR. Once that's done, click on start, and this process is going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this part. So finally, the bootable USB of Endeavour OS is ready. Now close everything and now right click on your start menu and open disk management. Now select the correct drive and local disk, and then right click on your disk and select shrink volume. Now allocate free space for Endeavour OS. I recommend giving at least 40 GB space. After that, close everything, and now it's time to reboot and boot from Endeavour OS USB. So while your computer is restarting, press the F2 key to enter the BIOS menu to disable secure boot. Process of disabling secure boot may differ from various laptops and motherboards, so please look up for your specific device. And after that, reboot your system, and while your computer is rebooting, press either escape key or F12 key to open the boot selection menu and choose the option to boot from USB. So finally we have put it into the Endeavour OS Live USB. So first of all, I recommend you to test everything before proceeding, and once you have tested everything, make sure to connect to internet before installation. Now after connecting to the internet, open your installer. So once the installer is open, it will ask you to choose your language, your location, and then your keyboard layout. So choose your desired settings, and after that, for desktop environment, you can choose any desktop environment you like. You can leave the packages settings as default, and for the bootloader you need to choose grub. Now for partitions, you need to choose an option which says replace a partition, and you need to select the free space from the correct drive which we just created on Windows. And after that, make sure to install the bootloader on your correct drive. Now enter your user details and password, and after that it will give a brief summary of your installation. If you are okay with everything, then you can finally proceed, and this process is going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this part as well. So finally the Endeavour OS installation is completed. Now you can reboot the system, and first I'm going to boot into Endeavour OS to check if it is working or not. So whenever you start your computer, you will see this grub menu to choose between operating systems. So first I'm going to boot into Endeavour OS. So as you can see, we are able to boot into Endeavour OS and it is working fine. So now let's reboot and boot into Windows to check if Windows is working or not. So as you can see, we are also able to boot into Windows. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.